Kementeri Tnad Karep Riang Kokong Ampareen Lingdoa Haga Khandai Terek Ujemang Kalayathu Baka Tnad Kalakot Daga Jinghiar Banyak Keren Halor ke Jinghiar Dor u Synsar Habakali Halor ke Jingsham Jing Ginong Rep Kibarap Synsar Haga Jella Kokong Ampareen Kaloong Baka Tnad Jongka Kalakot Ia ke Jinghiar Kabakerpang Haga Khan Rio Terek Ujemang Hakaba Kandan ke Ïatai Halor ke Jinghiar Kensan Kador Jong u Synsar
In fact, I have called for a special meeting on the 16th of May, where we will be discussing the sudden fall of price of broomstick that is affecting broomstick farmers to a large extent. I am yet to be briefed about the reality of all situations, but we will take necessary steps and measures to ensure that this does not happen and that this lull in the market of broomstick does not continue for long. Beyond that, at this point of time, because we've not yet gotten into meeting with all stakeholders, I will not be able to say much, but the government is concerned and we are looking into the matter.